Water is free, so people don't take it seriously. They don't believe something this simple can give them glass skin. But water is actually the secret that proves you don't need money to achieve glass skin. If you're not getting glass skin from water, the problem isn't that you drink less water or that water doesn't work for your skin. The problem is that you're drinking it the wrong way, in the wrong amount, and at the wrong time. But this is just one problem. And like every problem, it has a solution. If you watch this video till the end, all your doubts will be cleared and you'll be able to flex your own glass skin. I've broken the solution into 4 rules, and the last one is the most important. Most people ignore it, and that's exactly why they never achieve glass skin. Rule number 1, the morning glow drink. The moment you wake up, the first thing you usually do is grab your phone. Now imagine this. Instead of using your phone, you drink 2 medium-sized glasses of water. This is great for your skin, but more importantly, it builds discipline. You're sacrificing your phone to focus on yourself and your skin. Rule number 2, never drink water in bursts. Some people drink 1 liter of water at once and then don't drink anything for the rest of the day. Instead of that, take small sips every half hour. Avoid drinking too much water at one time. Rule number 3, 1 glass before food. Make it a routine to drink 1 glass of water before eating anything, or even half a glass. Don't force yourself. Drink according to what feels comfortable for your body so you don't feel burdened. If you drink water before every meal and make this a habit, you'll easily cover 3 glasses of water a day just from this one point. Rule number 4, the night glass. This is a very important point, but most people don't understand it. Drink 1 glass of water 1 hour before sleeping, not right before bed. This is the exact mistake people make, and because of it, they never achieve glass skin. But now that I've told you, don't make this mistake. Now let's quickly calculate how much water we've actually consumed using these 4 rules. 1 normal glass holds about 250 milliliters of water. From rule number 1, we drank 2 glasses. From rule number 2, we drink around 6 glasses. Because even if you drink half a glass every hour over 12 active hours, that easily adds up to 6 glasses. From rule number 3, we get 3 more glasses, and from rule number 4, 1 glass. So in total, that's 12 glasses of water, which is roughly 3 liters. A normal adult male needs about 3.7 liters of water per day, and a female needs about 2.7 liters. So just by following these 4 simple rules, you've already covered almost 3 liters of your daily water intake, easily. Follow these rules for just 7 days, and after that, they'll become a habit, because the glow on your face will motivate you to stick to this routine. Now that you've gained this knowledge and your confusion is cleared, make sure to subscribe, because it's not just about skin. I'll help you fix hair, jawline, and every other problem easily.